Here's the importance of covering your butt. Upsold the rear brakes because it was grinding. The bearing in the front done and good. That noise went away. You can see no brake pad. Grinded the hell out of it. You come over here. That bearing's noisy. There would have been no way to know if that bearing is bad or not. This one has minimal noise. Very minimal. And he asked me too. He asked me, he said, so is the original noise still there? No, but which noise was he talking about? You have brake noise in the back. I don't know what that's going to sound like after I finish the brakes here. I'll be taking on a road test. But then you had a front growl. Maybe we'll hear it, maybe we won't. He's gonna roll the dice on this and see if he can get it through inspection that way. But yeah, you got to cover your butt.